Hello everyone, welcome back to Yags3world. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the background of any image in just one click. So if you are ready to know, let me show you how. So guys, first of all, you just have to open Google and write remove.bg. It is a website which is used for removing the background of any image in just one click. So I'm just opening this website and here, now I'm going to drop the image which I want to remove the background of, right? Now this image is uploading and the process is being completed right now. Wow, that's amazing. In just one click, we have completely removed the background of our image. Now you can download this by clicking on the image, right? You can see the image which has no background. See, there is no background in this image. So guys, that's it for today. Meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and be happy.